Well, got in on another nice one here. Um, the first day on this XFA is turning out swimmingly. I thought I had to go next door, take care of some business, and I thought for sure when I came back in I'd be stopped out right there, but I didn't. So I'm going to try to let this thing run a while. I tried to catch a runner earlier and got spanked. So I was up to $1,200 trying to get back in. Finally got back in. And it's $25 stop loss. Just wasn't holding up. I think I put a $70 stop loss on this one. I finally got in and got one to hold. And keeping those losses small is really the name of the game. This is the first presentation fair value gap. I'm going to get rid of this fib because it's just getting in my way. So this is the first presentation fair value gap. This was original sell side liquidity. Could work as a breaker possibly. This is my runner. I feel like I've already made a decent profit for the day. I don't want to turn loose of any of this profit by any means, but it's just a one lot micro runner. And, hypo, if we went all the way back to settlement, that would be fantastic. Not expecting it, but it could go. So what my plan is just to keep trailing my stop and hope that we keep on trading higher. And I'm really, on one micro in a normal environment, $200 is way too big of a stop. But in this environment, I don't know that it is. Because we could definitely rip back down to 600 and then right back up to 700. I don't like the way this one's selling off, so I'm going to go ahead and kill it. It just seems too aggressive to me. Oh, man, it didn't die. There we go. Okay, so that'll be 1,269 on the day. I'm calling it right there. I'm going to lock myself out. Oh, it won't let me do it. And just leave it alone. I think that's good. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to one another. Love each and every one of you. That trade's probably going to work out in my favor, but I couldn't take that big old long deal. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Talk to you soon.